So my goal here is to find the area of this rectangle right over here. And we can assume it is a rectangle. And so to figure that out, we just have to take two of the side lengths. For example, this side length here, we have to figure out what that is. And if we figure out this side length, and if we were to multiply them, then we would get the area. Now, how do we figure out those side lengths? Well, I luckily have a ruler right over here. So let's see, this side length over here. And I want to be very careful. I want to start my ruler right at the beginning, right at 0. Some people make the mistake of trying to start at 1 or at some other number. No, you can't start anywhere. You have to start right at the beginning. So I'm starting, you could think of that as 0 before I get to 1. And it looks like I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters. Let me be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters in that direction. So let me write that down. 7 centimeters. And if I measure this other side, this is a rectangle, it should be the same. And yes, that one also is 7 centimeters. And now, this length over here, it looks like it is, once again, I'm starting at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters. So this is 8 centimeters. And so this one up here should be 8 centimeters if this is really a rectangle. And we see that it is. So now I've done the measurements and I can figure out the area. It's just going to be this side length times this side length. So let's see, if I took 7 centimeters times 8 centimeters, 7 times 8 is equal to 56 square centimeters. And we are done.